A 5-year-old girl has died and 2 others were injured when a BMW luxury car had hit a scooter in Noida Sector 20 late last night. The crash took place when 2 men on a scooter were taking the child to a hospital because she was unwell. The police have arrested the man driving the BMW and the co-passenger. According to the police, the injured are residents of Sadarpur near Sector 45 in Noida, and the 5-year-old was unwell last night. They had decided to take her to a nearby health institute, and on their way to the hospital, the BMW rammed the scooter. The girl died on the spot, while the other 2 people on the two-wheeler have suffered serious injuries and have been hospitalized.
I'm reporting from inside Sector 20 police station, where the BMW that was involved in last night's crash is in fact parked right now. We are showing you the visuals of the car. We can see its front end completely mangled, the bumper hanging off, the windshield cracked completely, and the left headlight is also in fact shattered beyond recognition. The car tells a chilling tale of the sheer speed at which it must have been traveling when it rammed into a scooter carrying a young family near Sector 30. The impact was so chilling. Police sources say that the child was thrown several feet and died on the spot. Her parents remain in critical condition. 2 persons who were involved, who were inside the vehicle at the time of the accident, both have been in fact apprehended shortly after the crash and are currently being questioned. One of them, according to sources, was under the influence of alcohol. Though confirmation is awaited because of pending medical reports, the vehicle now lies within the station's premises. We can clearly show you the pictures. This is the BMW. This is not the first time when a luxury car is involved in this kind of an accident where it has claimed a life of another. Now the vehicle lies within the station's premises with tight guard. Its license plate has been logged, and forensic teams are in fact also expected to shortly arrive to examine the car for evidence. We can see this incident that took place in Noida Sector 30 that has shocked the conscience of people who are living in the society. With camera person Arun Negi, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.